In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify an active cell and an active sheet in Excel. If you're new to Excel, understanding which cell and which worksheet are currently active is really important. It helps you avoid typing in the wrong place, editing the wrong data, or working on the wrong tab. The good news is that Excel gives you some very clear visual clues, and once you know what to look for, it becomes very easy to spot them right away. Let's start with the active cell. In Excel, the active cell is simply the cell that is currently selected and ready for you to type into or edit. You can identify it because it has a dark or colored outline around it. This border stands out from the rest of the cells, making it clear where your cursor is focused. So, if you click anywhere in the worksheet, look for that highlighted border. That outline tells you exactly which cell is active at that moment. Another helpful way to confirm the active cell is by looking at the address box in the top left corner of the Excel window, right next to the formula bar. When a cell is active, its address appears there automatically. For example, if you click a cell in column B and row 3, the box will show B3. This is especially useful when you're working in a large spreadsheet and want to double check your current location without having to visually trace rows and columns. Now let's look at the active sheet. In Excel, a workbook can contain multiple sheets and only one of them is active at a time. To find the active sheet, go to the Sheet tabs at the bottom of the window. The Active Sheet tab will have a bold font name and a white background. This makes it stand out from the other tabs, which usually appear less prominent. So if you ever switch between sheets and want to be sure where you're working, just glance at the bottom and look for the tab with the white background and bold text. These visual indicators are simple, but they're essential for working confidently in Excel. The cell outline helps you know where your data will go. The address box gives you the exact cell reference, and the highlighted Sheet tab confirms which worksheet you're currently using. Once you get used to checking these three areas, navigating Excel becomes much smoother and more accurate. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.